Welcome to Anaya's recipes. Today we are going to make fluffy tea cake. Icing sugar 80 grams. Milk 30 grams. White flour 90 grams. Oil 50 grams. Add salt 1 pinch. Add baking powder an 1/8 teaspoon. Add baking soda an 1/8 teaspoon. Take 2 eggs. Add icing sugar mix. Mix with hand mixer. Mix well until it's thick. Add white flour, make sure it's sieved. Add oil. Add milk. Add lemon drops. Add few drops of lemon color. Grease the rectangle cake pan. Add the mixture in the cake pan. Preheat your deep pan for baking. Add the cake pan in preheated deep pan. Cover the pan. Cook 25 minutes on low to medium flame. Check with the skewer that it's cooked well. Beautiful fluffy tea cake is ready to serve. If you like our video, subscribe us for our appreciation. We are working on the cake series, so don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.